Hi everyone. Last week, if you still remember, we looked at the website visibility metrics, mainly backlinks, keyword, and we checked as well number of visits to the website and how they may impact the conversion count. And we looked at 60 observation, which means 60 months of JD from 2020 until the end of 2004. And if you still remember, we only visit from a cross-sectional point of view contribute to the conversion count. And we find that one visit to the website could increase the conversion count by 0.016. Now we did the change now from a month to a month and how this can impact the conversion count. Now we find not only the visit, as you can see in the photo, that contribute to the conversion count. We find as well that the changes in backlinks could as well increase the conversion count. One increase in backlinks could lead to a 0.05 increase in the conversion count compared to a 0.12 increase in the conversion count based on a one increase in visit. So this is the main changes between just checking the backlinks cross-sectionally on average compared to the changes every month. So backlinks as well, it seems they are important as visit. Thank you so much.